I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to the OER Manufacturing Summits and Awards 2021.
The importance of the manufacturing sector for Oman's economic growth can hardly be overstated. It has been identified as one of the priority sectors for Oman's economic diversification, job creation, and for attracting foreign direct investment.
إنه لدواعي السرور أن نشارككم اليوم في حفل افتتاح أعمال مؤتمر وجوائز التصنيع 2021 والذي تنظمه مجلة عمان Economic Review والذي يركز في نسخته الحالية على قطاع الصناعة في رؤية عمان 2040.